Okay, so let's look through a couple of things here. One, from the first glance here of the first few swings, it looks like maybe we're just getting a little bit extreme on a few things. So, you notice now kind of a lot of space where there used to be almost the hands on the lap, right? So we want to, I guess, sort of find the middle ground of that. So I'd like to first talk about getting, the hands just a bit lower so that we feel that club kind of coming through the belt buckle. Okay, that'll hopefully be maybe the best place or the best thing to feel is if that club just kept going, it's going to hit you more in the belt. Okay, now that aside, the thing about your swing that's causing you to really go, it sounds like most of the shots are either pushes out to the right or shots that are curving too much to the left. Is that fair to say? So what we're going to try to sort of work on here is, I'd say the biggest reason that that's happening to you is notice your club when you start your swing, very underneath the line, versus what you'll see from most tour players, how this club will probably be more on the hands. Okay. Now, the reason that that's important is because I'd say most tour players, if they also took it back this far under plane, would end up coming into the ball too shallow, right, or too far under again. So that's been what I've noticed mostly as we keep talking about this swing plane idea, is see how far underneath the line then your swing is. So, you are swinging to the right, almost to the degree that it's maybe a little too much. Right, so you being further from the ball, this particular shot you can see kind of hits on the toe, and then the swing is going out this way, and so a few that I've seen started right and tried to come back, but just never quite got back to straight. Sometimes that'll just be a straight push, and then other times it'll be like a dramatic hook. Whereas what we're trying for, or what our goal needs to be, is maybe that swing doesn't go quite as far, and then we come down more kind of parallel with that line. So just to put you guys at the same place here, right? You see kind of a difference there in where you are in relation to that line versus where he is. And so coming inside like that definitely is sounds like the main thing that happens to you when you get outside. So we just need to kind of come back to home base here and kind of get that back into a good place where we're bringing it back more on plane, which is going to help you be less shallow when you come down.